Introducing the New Way Mammoth. Take a look at what makes the new curved floor Mammoth the best front loader on the market today. 2 words: weight reduction. New Way engineers have trimmed nearly 3,000 pounds off the original Mammoth without losing structural integrity. In fact, by using high-grade, abrasion-resistant steel, a new curved floor system, and a one-piece wall design, the new Mammoth is stronger than ever. The one-piece AR450 hopper wall and redesigned concave pack panel add strength and higher packing force, improving your payload while shaving off nearly 400 pounds in the process. Packing is improved with long-lasting nitride pack cylinders and integrated scraper technology. Arm weldments and geometry modifications lowered force to each arm by over 9,000 pounds. Arm systems have been upgraded to 6-bolt arm lugs for added strength and longevity. Arm cylinders include an easily adjustable deceleration valve for longer life and improved operation. The new curved floor design allows for added weight savings while improving structural integrity. The new Mammoth is 4 inches lower and 5 inches longer with a standard 92-inch hopper opening. With an improved center of gravity, the Mammoth easily accommodates both roof and tailgate-mounted CNG systems to best suit your application. While other manufacturers are forced to remove their hopper covers for CNG installation, our innovative New Way engineering team made safety and load containment a priority. The new Mammoth's hopper cover slides underneath roof-mounted CNG systems, eliminating debris buildup while keeping the load and your operators covered. Onboard controls and diagnostics make operating the Mammoth simple and easy to learn. Control systems include either standard air-over hydraulic controls or the optional CAN bus network system, offering latest generation diagnostic tools for your operators and technicians to communicate with your new Mammoth. New Way Trucks has kept its customers in mind with this redesign, making favorite options a standard feature. All body lights are now factory standard LED. The Mammoth standard features are too long to list, but notables include standard dual camera systems, standard 2-year cylinder and 1-year body and hydraulic warranties, standard industry-first fiberglass body doors, and standard aluminum hydraulic tanks. Like the standard list, the options available are just as numerous. Start by making your technicians happy. The optional service hoist makes lifting your Mammoth easier than ever, and rear hinge design makes servicing your chassis easy and safe. Other options include scale systems and technology, CNG fuel systems, and custom paint and 2-tone designs. With its new, stronger and lighter body, the completely redesigned Mammoth is now leaner and meaner than ever. Visit newwaytrucks.com to find a dealer near you and request a demonstration. Put the new Mammoth to work on one of your routes today and start realizing the benefits tomorrow.